Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying prerequisites. You need Vscode and Git installed and your local repo opened. Once done, open the extensions view and install Git Graph. Next, make sure the repository has a Git folder and that you can see branches in the source control panel. Now open the Git Graph view from the activity bar or command palette. You are ready to visualize commits. This gets you from setup to the first actionable UI for exploring history. You will now inspect and manipulate history using Git Graph. First, apply filters and search to narrow commits by author, message, or file path. This helps you focus. Once you see a commit, right-click to perform actions like checkout, reset, cherry pick, or revert. Use reset with care. Click a commit to show diffs and file-level history inline so you can review changes before acting. Make sure to use branch toggles to compare named branches and trace. You finish by performing branch workflow tasks and syncing with remotes. Create or rename branches from the graph and drag commits to rebase or merge visually. This is faster for simple reorganizing. Push and pull to sync. When conflicts appear, Git Graph highlights conflicting files so you can open editors and resolve them. If something goes wrong, use the reflog view or the GUI reset options to recover lost commits. If unresolved, make sure remotes and local refs are correct before force pushing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.